Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. Just yesterday, I made a video on this shape, and I started thinking, let's try this. So let's move this out of the way. And let's do exactly what we did in part 1. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to make it divisible. I'm going to make it 16. I'm going to take an ellipse, and half of 16 is 8, so we're going to make it 8. Hit P. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 8. I'm going to just nudge that over. Whoop, that didn't work. So I'm going to select them both and hit L. And then I'm going to make a duplicate of this, Control D, and then hit the nudge. So I got that shape. So I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool now and fill that in, and I'm going to nudge it out of the way. Matter of fact, I'm going to delete that. I'm going to change my nudge factor to like 18, so I don't have to nudge it but once. Because that way you won't forget how far you need to go. So now let's just get this out of the way. Let's bring this back and let's left click, right click. Now, Control D to make a duplicate, alternate C, and we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. Now we're going to get this shape right here. This is exactly what I did in part 1. So we're going to fill that in. Now I'm going to just get rid of that. I'm going to move this back. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate of that. I'm going to left click, right click. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to left click, right click, getting away with the fill. But now I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and I'm going to rotate it just 1 degree. Well, I didn't take it back. I didn't do the center. Make sure I just got one copy, so I do. Control D, alternate C to make it rotate from the center, and just rotate it 1 degree. That's a minute. You could do less. And then Control D, till it fills in every line. Now, I can't take my hands off to move the mouse, but I'm just holding down the Control and the D for duplicating. I don't want to go too far. I want to actually move that to like right there where there's all the lines are even. And I could have used the rotation doctor and did 90. So these are 90 different parts. I'm going to Control G to group it. I'm going to Control D to move this, or I'm just going to nudge that over. Now I'm going to select them all, and I'm going to go to the intersect tool. And now I have that shape. So we can get rid of this. And you could change it. I hit the calculator instead of the delete button. And now move this back, Control D to make a duplicate, alternate C to rotate it, and we're going to rotate it that 90 degrees. And look what you get. It looks pretty cool. Let's try yellow this time and see what it looks like. And then take, that doesn't look worth a flip, but if you were going to print this on a dark shirt, like a black shirt, it would look something like that. That's pretty cool. You still got the outline, and it kind of glows where all the circles are. Anyway, little fun project. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.